All right, Sue, are you excited? These were masks that my husband's school gave him. So how exciting is this to our 36 people watching? Sue is on the chat and I got her package right here. Okay, I see what you're doing here. This is what the box looks like. Kingway, ooh, Kingway masks, that's a good name. And I like Kingway KN95. Light and comfy fit, easy to put on. Let's check this out, put it in the clamper. So this is actually meeting the 2006 standard. So they've got KN95, they got GB2626, that's 2006. All right, let's let it rip. This is a PFE machine, particulate filtration efficiency. We are doing the N95 test using the same machine that NIOSH uses to test N95s and certify them. Thank you, Sue, for sending us this. This smells like a mostly clean sock drawer. But there's something not quite right about that sock drawer. I don't know what it is. All right, so it passes the KN95 standard from 2006, okay? In terms of like what's on the mask, but does it protect you? I haven't looked yet. Whoa, just under the wire. 95.929, 95.929, but wow, actually, it fails with breathability. That's 264 pascals. That fails the inhalation standard of the KN95, which is 250 pascals. So this thing is too hard to breathe in. I'm gonna try this one to see the ear loops. Ear loops are great though, so there's that. All right, Sue, there you have it. The mask will protect you, but that's only if you can stand to breathe in it all day long. Breathability is important, man. Like after testing all these masks, we've really gone to the mat to try to improve our breathability, because the mask that works is the mask that you wear, right?